Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the updated process of creating your very own Discord server. Whether you're building a community for gamers, creators, or friends, I'll guide you through every step. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to Discord's website or your app store to grab it. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen. Look to the left-hand menu and tap the home icon if you're not already there. This ensures you're in the right spot to create something new. Next, spot the plus icon at the bottom of the left sidebar. This little button is your gateway to starting fresh. Give it a tap, and a menu will pop up with two options: Join a server or Create my own. We're choosing the second one. If you're feeling inspired, you can also browse Discord's pre-made templates here, like gaming hubs, study groups, or art communities. These templates save time by auto-generating channels and roles, but starting from scratch lets you customize everything. Now it's decision time. Discord will ask if your server is for friends or a larger community. Pick what fits your vision. This helps tailor default settings. Then type in a name that reflects your server's purpose. Think short, memorable, and relevant. Want a logo? Tap the image icon to upload one. A good icon makes your server stand out in users' lists. Finally, hit Create Server. Boom, you're done. Discord will auto-generate a general text channel and a voice channel to get you started. From here, you can dive into settings to tweak roles, permissions, or invite friends. Need more channels? Click the plus next to text channels or voice channels to add spaces for specific topics or activities. And that's it. Your server is live. Remember, the magic happens in the details. Set clear rules, assign roles, and experiment with bots to automate moderation or fun interactions. Discord's flexibility lets you mold your server into anything you imagine. Go ahead, build something awesome.